What's up, guys? It's Ben back again with another box break, and today we have got 2016 Topps Archives Baseball. Little blaster here. Archives has been good to me through the years since I started. And then I ripped through the box. Since I started collecting again, and you guys can look up my videos, 2012. Come on. What the heck? If I can get in the box. My scissors are dull, and I don't have any fingernails. I cut them all off. But I wish I'd have caught it on camera a year or two ago. I bought one of the reduced boxes of Archives that had been marked down. It was like a year old, and I pulled a redemption for a King Griffey Jr. autograph that was short printed, and yeah, that, what was it, $11 box turned into about $300 for me or so. So I did sell that card, so we'll see how we do today. Here we go. Colton Wong, Scherzer, Hank Aaron, Morneau, the Griffeys, Killebrew, Zapata, Edgar Martinez there on the back. My fingers are working better with these packs. Those Prism packs on the NASCAR stuff were Tulowitzki, Ellsbury, Bumgardner, George Springer, Catfish, Gary Carter. You might remember the Pringles commercial with Gary Carter on it. Wasn't it some kind of weird, like, flavor of them they come out with? It didn't last long. Gary Sanchez, Honus Wagner, Ortiz, and Kinsler. Sorry, I'm going through these kind of fast, but Palmeiro, Randy Johnson, Necro, Syndergaard, and there's our Bull Durham card. Seems like I may have opened a box of these. Brian McCann, Walker, Adam Eaton. Yeah, it seems like I may have a while back. The Wizard, D. Gordon, Freeman. Some good guys in here, not too bad. Not seeing any hits or anything much other than that Bull Durham. I probably got some short prints or something I missed. And Olerud, Fisk, Rice, Ron Blomberg. Hey, there's me a Cub. I probably missed some others. I'm rifling through them pretty fast. Jake Arrieta for the Cubs. Carlos Santana, Oscar Gamble. Wow. Oh, cool. Another Jake Arrieta insert. I forget what these are called, but cool. I guess I had another one of them somewhere on back there of someone else. So. Coolness. It's the last pack. Hal Newhouser. Billy Williams. Sweet. Oh, we got a blue border here. It's numbered. Carl Edwards Jr. for the Cubbies. Yeah, let's get a penny sleeve on this one. Got us a blue, I guess it's blue border. Get this protected here. Tom Seaver. Probably our better hit of the box. Number to 199. Cool. So Cool little parallel. Got me a few cubbies in the Bull Durham card. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall return soon.